Mina ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bayaphila kodwa abayiqondi kahle and kubuhlungu ukungayiqondi ngoba uhlezi uquestion ukuthi ngabe wenza ngakhona yini and uzama nokukopela khona uzofitha in kodwa ube uzwa kahle ukuthi no man, this is not me. But ngoba nakho isociety ithi nakho kukwi-mainstream and now uzama ukufitha in, khululeka yazini uzofitha in and impilo yakho you are making it even worse by trying to fit in. Lalela la, angeke sonke size sifane, kwenziwe ngamabomu lokho ukuthi singafani and kunabantu abafuna ukuhlezi bexolisa ngokuthi ba different. You should be different. You know what? La sinama channels ahlukene kawu-3. Awe individual, awe collective, awe tribe. And when amune channel ye individual, oh go unto you ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ake ngufundise ngufaka eklasini kancane. Izokufaka esikoleni. Yabona, okay, lokho engizokhuluma ngakho ngiqale ngikutshela ukuthi kumayelana ne-human design system or mechanics. Kunabantu la ngokwama-energies abo banama-individual channel. Uyabona uma uwuthi eshathini lakho une-individual channel, unama-individual gates. Lalela, ohlezi bekukhipha inyumbazana. Ohlezi bekukhipha inyumbazana kuba ngathi awufit in. And nalezi zinto abazenzayo uyohlezi uyicrusha. Uyohlezi ungafuni ukulimitwa ama-values nama-norms abo bona beyi-collective. Wena ufuna ukwenza ngeyakho indlela. And by so doing kuba ngazuthi wena different and abakufisi, abakuceli. And wena because wena you are a social being and you think wena kumele ukuthi ufane nabo ukuze ube accepted. No, that's not the case. Wena if you have individual lines uzobona izinto zizokhipha inyumbazana. Why is it keeping inyumbazana? You are here for an empowerment. Udinge ukuthi ube alone so that you will download stuffs from the universe and then you